introduce you, Mike. He's an American. Hi, Mike. Why you want
Hi,
to say?
Mike.
Why you like me?
I don't know.
Are you sure with me? Oh my God.
I guess so.
Oh my gosh. Maybe he planning to leaving me.
I'm stuck with her now.
What the reason why you stuck at me?
Because you're such a sweet, nice girl.
Nga.
I'm very pretty.
Oh, he said I'm very pretty. Oh my God. I felt so pretty.
And yummy.
Oh my, I felt and I'm yummy. Gulay. And then
And then, I don't know.
I don't know.
Because you love me,
Yes.
right? Nya,
Nya.
nya.
Nyap.
Right?
Yep.
Nya.
Something like that. Oops.
That's it.
One more.
It's too wet. See? Hello, world.
Hello, world.
Welcome to Northern Canada. We're having an unusually century-long heat wave.
That is like you, what that is you dislike about me?
What do I dislike about you?
The tempo. While I'm tempo.
There's sometimes tempo, oh boy.
What else?
That's it.
Hmm?
So far, that's it.
For now, that's it.
For now. Maybe we find something later.
For now, just the tempo. While what is the you love me the most? No need to answer.
Whoa.
Oh boy.
You better watch what you ask.
That's why, my gulay. Thank you for watching. See you later, my God.